Hey guys, it's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth. I'm here in amazing Niagara Falls, Canada, and I've had a lot of requests for that green gold eye look I did in a video last week. So if you haven't seen that, I'm going to link it right there. It's a little overcast. Hopefully, the weather hangs out with us and it does not rain during my makeup look, but we're going to do it. So this is a get ready with me outdoors here in Niagara Falls, Canada. Remember, I've got a huge giveaway going on, so all you need to do to be entered into that massive giveaway is be subscribed to the channel, so click right there. And definitely you need to follow me on Instagram, so click right there and comment down below on any one of my videos, and that's what enters you into that amazing giveaway. So I will contact the winner via Instagram at the end of the month. Good luck, guys! So for today's video, I've already got my base on. Hopefully it's holding up with the mask. I don't really have a mirror here to work with, so I'm going to be using just my little Scott Barnes mirror since we're outside. So I took that Anastasia Chromium liquid eyeshadow as my base for that color, for that amazing eye look. So I'm just going to do that right now. I'm just applying that basically all over the lid. And then I'm going to wing that shadow out. I'm just winging it out. Just like that. Now I'm working faster today because obviously I'm outside, it's windy, and I need to blend that before it dries down. Okay, today to blend that, I'm going to use a MAC 246 brush. And just with circular motions, I'm just blending it above my crease. And then blending where I winged it out. Just like that. I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow right here, which is the Luxe eyeshadow in Rich Sparkle, and the color is called Chlorophyll, which is this amazing green shade right here. I'm going to go back in with that MAC 246 brush. And I'm picking up some of that green shadow right here, like that. I'm going to apply this dark green right here to my outer V. I am getting some fallout, but it is very windy outside. I'm just going to brush that away. Tapping off that excess. Now that I have that to my outer V, I'm just going to go in with this smudger brush right here from Too Faced, and I'm just going to blend that, just blend the edges. Now that I have that blended, I'm going in with my Showy and Glowy palette by Scott Barnes. I've got my palette right here. This is the palette. I'm going in with this gold shade, which is called Golden Glow. Taking a Morphe brush by Jaclyn Hill. This is a JH42 brush, this one right here. Pick up some of that gold on my brush, tapping it off to my inner corner. I'm going to smudge that out on the bottom, right there. I'm going above, and I'm just blending that out. I'm now going in with this pink crush color right here. Just like that. Okay, I'm taking some more of my Anastasia. I'm just putting it on the back of my hand, just like that. So this is the same chromium color, and this is the color Scarb. The exact same color I applied on my eyes. I'm taking my same Franklin Hill brush, and I'm applying just a little bit under my eye, and I'm smudging that out. Just like that. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply my mascara, which is my Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Black Mascara, and I will be right back. I'm just going in with my Extreme Black eyeliner from Pat McGrath, and I'm going to line my waterline. Okay, so this is the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, and I'm going to take that liquid liner and I'm going to line my upper lash line. I just took it and I winged it out just a little bit, because you know me, I don't usually wear a wing, but just slightly. It's like a flick. Now I'm just going to go in and bronze my face, put my contour on and my lipstick, and finish the other side, and I will be right back. To finish this off, I'm doing something kind of natural, you know, glossy. I'm gonna pick the NARS Orgasm lip gloss right here. Okay guys, this completes this amazing green and gold eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The only difference between the other video, which I'll link right there, and this one is I threw eyelashes on, but since I'm getting ready with you guys here in Niagara Falls outside, I'm not going to put eyelashes on. But that's the only difference, but I'll do an eyelash tutorial in the upcoming video. Okay guys, remember, live, love, and lip gloss. I'll see you guys soon.